Welcome to Linux Help. In this video we will learn about how to install Docker and run httpd image in Debian 12. Docker is an open platform designed for the development, deployment, and operation of applications. It allows you to decouple your applications from the underlying infrastructure, facilitating rapid software delivery. With Docker, you can manage your infrastructure in a manner consistent with how you manage your applications. By leveraging Docker's methodologies for shipping, testing, and deploying code, you can substantially minimize the time from code creation to production execution. First, check the OS version of your system. The command is lsb_release-a. Next, run the update command. The command is sudo apt-get update. It will take some time. Before you install Docker Engine for the first time on a new host machine, you need to set up the Docker apt repository. These are all the following commands to set up Docker repository. After running all the commands, need to update your repository. The command is apt-get update. It will take some time. After, install the Docker packages. This is the command to install latest version of the Docker. It will take some time. Verify that the installation is successful by running the Hello World image. This is the command to verify Docker is installed or not. This command downloads a test image and runs it in a container. When the container runs, it prints a confirmation message and exits. This is a confirmation message. To install httpd image from Docker. The command is docker pull httpd. This command will get httpd image from Docker Hub and download in your system. It will take some time. After downloaded, run Docker images command to check the httpd image is downloaded in your system or not. Run the httpd image by using the following command. Docker run -d name apache -p8180 httpd. After running the command, note your system IP and put in your browser with port number. These steps are to install Docker and run the httpd image in Debian 12. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.